School teaches you math, history, and how to pass exams. But the three most important money lessons, they never teach them. And that's why most people stay broke. Lesson 1. Money is a tool, not the goal. Most people are told to save money. But billionaires? They use money to make more money. $1,000 in a bank earns cents. $1,000 in an investment can double, triple, or more. The rich see money as soldiers. Send them out to bring back more soldiers. The poor keep their soldiers locked away, doing nothing. Lesson 2. Taxes reward the owner. School trains you to become an employee, but the tax system rewards owners and investors. As an employee, you're taxed first and spend what's left. As a business owner, you spend first, deduct expenses, then get taxed on what's left. Over your lifetime, that's a massive difference. Lesson 3. Debt can make you rich. We're told debt is bad. But there's bad debt and good debt. Bad debt buys things that lose value, like cars, clothes, gadgets. Good debt buys things that make money, like property or a business. The rich use other people's money to grow wealth. The poor use their own, or spend before they even have it. So remember, money is a tool. Taxes reward owners. Good debt can make you rich. They don't teach this in school, but you can learn it here. Which one shocked you most? Save this video for later. Follow a truth drop. The truths the rich don't tell.